view assignment. Yours will look a little bit different than mine. And when you open it, 28 will load, and up here in the name, it will have your name. The first thing here, rather than having my name, this is a great place to put your name. So you put in Francisco de Oliveira Guerrero. No. Or you can put in Christian Molina Hernandez. Nope. So you put your name there. Okay. And then if you want, you can put the date. So today is the 25th. There. Okay. So the first one is practice working with the word careers. What careers interest you? I am interested in a career as a clown. So if I want to change this, I have a beautiful sentence here, but I need to put the correct information. So you might say, I am interested in a career as a plumber or an electrician. Okay, and you change my sentence there, right? So, right, it initially began as I'm interested in a career as a clown, and then it should be I'm interested in a career as a plumber or an electrician, and you should be able to put multiple careers, right, by using the plural there, okay? Second one says equipment. What equipment do you use for a sport or other activity in your life? Okay, so I made this example. The equipment I use for running includes sneakers, shorts, sunglasses, and a belt for my iPhone. Okay, so I'm going to change this activity. The equipment I use for sewing includes a needle, a sewing machine, fabric, and patterns. Okay, so I continue to edit the examples to be about my topic. Okay, what special things are you determined to do in your life? I am determined to, right? I wrote three things: learn French, find a job as a scientist, and move to Canada. Okay, so you can put some different things here. Okay, it's like here, license. What are two things you need a license to do? You need a license to, and then you put two things. Solo. Who is your favorite solo singer? My favorite solo singer is Zachary Schufran. Wait, is Justin Bieber. Is The Weekend. It is Liz. Okay, or whatever you would like it to be. Okay, neighborhood. What are three things that make a good neighborhood? Okay, and then when you are done, please remember to click turn in when you come back to, so remember it says it all changes save automatically. You would close the window, and then when you return to this page, yours looks a little bit different. It looks a bit more like this, and you would click turn in, right? And that way it will show me that you have turned in here, right? I might be able to see here by looking, I can look very closely here and see that, for example, John hasn't started working because it still says Zachary Schufran on that first page, right? Or I can see here that Daisy hasn't changed. Zachary Shufran yet. So I get a little idea there to see who's started working. Okay, I know that Daisy will be working soon. She's been doing excellent work. I know that Samuel has been doing excellent work. I've read some of his things. I saw that Christian logged on this morning. So I'm seeing great work in a lot of different places. I just want to remind you that you should be in the classroom on Quizlet as well. So that allows me to see, I know a lot of people here are missing from the morning class. So I sent the link to a few people, um, but it lets me see your progress. So here I can see like whoever Christian Molina 503 is, they started Learn about an hour ago. They finished the flashcards and Christian got a 92% on the test. Great job, Christian. I can see Isaac started Learn. Mia started Learn. Susie got 100% on the test. Great job, Susie. Um, let's see, I'll go over to my afternoon class as well. Let me see, back to my afternoon class. And in that one, see the progress. Here I see, so Alex completed everything. Great job. I think that's Eric. Good job, Eric. 100% on the test. I see Carlos took the test, 67. Carlos, do that again. Do Learn. Watch my other video and see how to do Learn. Harrison started Learn about an hour ago. Juliana started Learn 2 days ago. Lucas started Learn. Mohammed started Learn yesterday. Nyara's finished with the test. Great job, Nyara. If someone from this class needs the link, here is the link to join this class. I'll look through it as well and see who might need to join this one. Okay, so I hope everything's doing well. Everything's going well. I'm also going to put up assignment number 29, which is going to ask you to do some writing on topics. And I hope we all see each other soon. Take care. Have a great day.